So, without further ado, Edgar Allan and the Poets!
Piece of the dream piece wakes sober and alone. The cavalry rides o'er the earth on buried Confederate bones. Start the day as last cavalier in a dream not woke upon ending. No quartz candle or gun in my hand, just a number 2 bounce on a fountain pen. Number 2 bounce on a fountain pen. Number 2 bounce on a fountain pen. Thank you. We're Edgar Allan and the Poets.
And the Poets.
And you could dance if you want to.
Could I get more monitor, please?